All right, y'all. So I got a bunch of scrap back here that I gotta get rid of. Get this place cleaned up a little bit. Get ready to get this new material brought in for my gravel lot back here. So we're gonna work on that, trying to get this straightened up a little bit and get ready for that material. Got my plow for the big truck picked up the other day. Yeah, big boy, 11 foot wide. And it is heavy. Dropped it off at my dad's when I bought the truck because it had steering problems and I didn't want to drive it clear home. With that, with it having the steering problems. So, and had no idea how I was going to get it home without going down and getting it with the truck, which I really don't care to do because it's wider than the lane of the road is. So, my brother, he was down there and got his truck stuck in back field, and ultimately had to call my uncle over with his big Ford tractor and pull him out. And while he was there, they called and said that they could just load that plow on my trailer with that tractor. So it worked out really good. That tractor picked up that plow and set it right on my trailer. I was able to bring it home. Now I just got to figure out how to get it offloaded. So we'll do that here real soon. First thing we're going to do is tear this trampoline apart. It's a shame. This thing ain't even a year old. And we've had some real bad windstorms out here recently, so it blew it clear across the yard, clear back in them trees back here. And I feel bad for the kiddos, because like I said, we've had it less than a year, and they really enjoyed it. But I don't think that's going to be repairable, so maybe we'll be able to give them another one here this spring. So this is an old field sprayer I got as part of a package deal. Basically, a buddy of mine was getting rid of an estate, and there was several items in it that I wanted, but I pretty much had to take everything to take the things I wanted. So this is just one of them deals. It's all rotted out, but it had some really nice tractor wheels and hubs. So I'm going to cut these off of here and save those. That's a pretty cool old pump too. I think I'm going to save that. Alright y'all, well, I'm glad I got all that cleaned up and got that scrap hauled in. I don't know how I keep accumulating all this stuff, but I don't collect scrap on purpose, it just happens. But you know, I'm not real big on sorting through everything and, you know, number one, number two scrap, you know, whatever it is. I never really looked into all that. I just
load up all the steel or cast parts and haul them in. I do keep my aluminum and copper separate, and I'll take those in too here at some point. But yeah, so I hauled in 1,560 pounds of, they're just saying scrap. Got $108 out of it, so that's pretty cool. The truck empty weighs 9,100 pounds, which I don't know if I've said that before, but 9,100 pounds this thing weighs. It's a beast. But yeah, so that went pretty good. It's nice to get things cleaned up and put a few extra dollars in my pocket too. That's pretty cool. So, all right, y'all. See you next time.